There are many advantages to wireless devices. You simply power, pair, and place. However, they can be more costly if mistakes are made, so it's important that these installations happen correctly. Installing a wireless device is your most flexible option, but it still requires thoughtful execution. Before you get started installing the device, make sure to download the app. Choose Dealer Solutions if you haven't selected it before, and log in with your Ikon credentials. Click the Install tab and scan the device's serial number barcode. From there, enter the stock number, store group, VIN, color, vehicle type, and odometer reading. Review everything on the confirmation screen before hitting complete. The Ikon wireless device is powered by a battery, so before installing it, it is important to confirm the device is charged. In the rare case that the device does not power on, please return to the parts department to charge and exchange it for a fully powered device. If it's been in storage for a while, plug it into a provided micro USB charger for about an hour to ensure that it's ready to go. Once you confirm that the device is charged, you should select the placement in the vehicle. It needs to be in a location that keeps it secure, hidden, and still allows clear signal access. An ideal location is underneath the passenger seat, but make sure that it does not interfere with seat movement or block the side rails. If that location isn't viable, a secured and stabilized location like under the carpet, above the rear seat floor vents, or behind a door panel is preferred. It must never be placed directly under metal, which can block GPS signals. After the device is placed and powered on, you can proceed with activation using the same mobile app used for wired or terminal devices. The goal of all installations is balanced signal reliability combined with concealment. The Ikon wireless device gives you flexibility and ease of installation, but make sure to be mindful of security and a stable location.